Ngokusho kwe-NSFAS, silokhu sinyukile isibalo sabafundi abadinga uxhaso lokufunda kulelizwe.
The student population has grown and the demand for student financing has equally increased. This is because the government has created access to post-school education and training for the historically marginalized people of South Africa.
Lesikhwama simemezele ukuthi sasikulungele ukwemukela izicelo zoxhaso ukusuka ngoLwesihlanu.
Having received a presentation during the stakeholder consultations and having noted the comments received from stakeholders, I am now confident that NSFAS is ready to kickstart the 2025 online application process, which is effective this Friday, the 20th of September 2024.
Lesikhwama sibuye samemezela ukuthi sizothumela abafundi abayikhulu bakuleli eChina ukuze bayothola ukuqeqeshwa ngamakhono angandile kulelizwe.
We will be sending about 100 students to China in the upcoming year to study scarce and critical skills of the future as we advance in skills revolution towards addressing skills mismatch that the country is currently facing.
Umnyango wemfundo ephakeme uthi ocwaningweni olwenzile ezikhungweni zemfundo ephakeme uthole ukuthi iNSFAS isona sizathu esenza lungabikho uzinzo nokuthula kulezi zikhungo.